Good afternoon, YouTube. I'm Oggy F, this is Rage, and this is the Ustra Helmet Spray Contest. Let's get this video started. Okay, so for those of you who were part of the first ever YouTube live session which I did yesterday, you would already know the instructions to the Ustra helmet giveaway. Impatient, dude, impatient. So let me firstly tell you a little about the product. The Ustra helmet spray is a spray which you can use inside your helmet to clean the inside liner, and they claim that you can use it on the external part of your helmet as well to kind of give that extra shine. What it claims to do is break down all the bacteria and sweat which you have inside your helmet liner after using it for a while and sweating in it, and you can then just wipe off and clean your helmet within a few seconds. So the instructions say you have to spray it inside the helmet, leave it there for a few seconds, and then wipe it off with a cloth, and you're good to go. Benefits also include that it leaves a fresh smell inside your helmet, so none of that weird odor which you get after using and not cleaning your helmet for a long time. Now, I've just recently received the product, so I really can't share an honest review of how it works and whether it does what it claims to do, but only time will tell, I guess. But here's what I wanted to do. Ustra sent me about 7 or 8 of these, and I've given a few away to my friends, and I thought I'd give a few away to my subscribers as well. I'm going to keep this one really simple because I know the last time I had a contest, people shared feedback with me that the conditions or the rules of the contest were very complicated and it became very difficult for them to enter into the contest. So this one's going to be really simple. Since the giveaway is for a product that helps you with your helmet, I figured why not include something to do with my helmet in the contest. Man, I'm getting stuck in all kinds of signals around here. All you really need to do is share any one of my touring videos where... He's confused. Why am I talking to myself? Where was I? Okay. All you really need to do is share any one of my touring videos where my helmet is visible in a few seconds of the entire video. For those of you who've been following my channel for a while now, you would know that I place a kind of a selfie camera with a GoPro in the front of my motorcycle when I ride, and there are a few shots of me riding the motorcycle from that front view. Which have been included in those videos. So your best bet is to share a touring video, and most of those do have my helmet featuring in them for a few seconds at least. So all you need to do is firstly share that video on Facebook. So Facebook is the social media platform I'm utilizing for this, and use the hashtag OggyFsHelmet. That's OggyFsHelmet. That's all one word, no apostrophes, no spaces, nothing. Just OggyFsHelmet, all one word. And use that hashtag, share it on Facebook, and you've automatically entered the contest. Now you can share it as many times as you want. It just increases your chances of winning. And ask your friends to participate as well. If they don't ride motorcycles or if they don't have helmets, at least they can give it to you when they win it. I am going to randomly select 5 lucky winners to give away these helmet spray cans to, and I will ship them out to your address after you've won the contest. The contest will be open until the 2nd of July, and you can enter as many times as you like just by sharing the videos and using the hashtag on Facebook. Once you're done with that, sit back, say your prayers, and be a nice boy/girl. Okay, so the instructions are simple. Take any one of my touring videos from YouTube and share that on your Facebook timeline. The video has to have my helmet visible in it for at least a few seconds in one of those selfie camera kind of shots. Share on Facebook using the hashtag OggyFsHelmet. That's OggyFsHelmet, and you automatically enter. You can enter as many times as you want, share the videos as many times as you want, use the hashtag as many times as you want, and your chances of winning increases. 5 winners will be announced on the 2nd of July, and I will then request for your details and send you out the helmet sprays. Next week is birthday week for me, so I will not be very active on YouTube, at least for the weekend, because I'll be out celebrating with friends, and I might not be in the country this weekend as well. I'll be going for a holiday somewhere. I will try and go live though on Instagram and on Facebook if possible, but YouTube for sure, I think I'll be pretty inactive for the next week. So please don't be disappointed if there's no activity next weekend. I'm informing you in advance that I will not be uploading anything next week. Thank you again for the continuous support that you all have given me. This channel has now touched 66,000 subscribers when this video was uploaded. Again, I couldn't have done this without your support. Thank you all so much. As always, at least wear your helmets while riding your motorcycles, and ride safe. It's a freaking wet jungle out there. Goodbye.